And then you want to find the lower bound of the calculation. So you want the lowest possible number from here. So the lowest possible number is your lowest for that divided by your highest for that. Okay. Can I take those off?
Yep.
Right, this one is rearranging. Rearranging comes up all of the time.
That's 2.
They do get harder. So the purple and the blue ones at the bottom
It's rearranging.
are harder because the subject appears twice.
So you need to divide by 8. I don't know if that's right. Yeah, that's not green. Green? I just got green. Well, then it's already there. Well, then, yeah, that's alright. Wait a minute. Isn't it? Maybe that's the equation of physics. And you can't throw that in there. I don't want to do it. I'm not going to do it. I'm not. Yes, I'm not. This is my sociology job. That's why I'm using it. Because I don't have anything else for it, so I might as well use it for something. And what's the answer?
Okay, finish the one that you're on. Something like that?
Yes, you can go for the purple.
Purple one, yeah.
I meant to say B. This is B. Yeah. I said B.
whenever you see a bracket, expand it. Because if I was to move all, oh, sorry, what we're making the subject, is it D?
Yeah.
Yeah. So if I was to move all of this to here, I'd end up with both of those terms underneath as a fraction. And then I'd end up with I'd have a term on top and a term on bottom that with a plus and a plus underneath, so I can't just cancel them down, okay? So I've got to expand this first and then start working. So we've got ED plus EF. Never forget to bring everything down underneath that you've not worked with. My end goal is to have all of the D's on one side and everything else on the other where we possibly can. So I'm going to take away ED from both sides. So, oh, hang on. No, I'm not going to do it that way. I'm going to take away A from both sides. Because it just makes it look neater. Take away A, take away A. So I've got D is equal to ED plus EF. Take away A. Then I need to take away ED from both sides. So I've got D, take away ED, EF minus A. Then I'm going to factorise this, so I've only got one D. I've got D on the outside of the bracket. D times by what is just D, positive 1. D times by what is minus ED minus E. That's equal to EF minus A. And then because I've essentially got two terms there, one is multiplied by another, I can divide by this on both sides because it's in a bracket. So I've got D is equal to EF minus A over 1 take away E. If you did leave that in the bracket, it would be fine. But sometimes it's about swapping sides, factorising, expanding. Do you want another couple of those ones?
Yeah.
Yeah. Did you get it right?
So I say no, or you did the other one?
You did the last one. There is some, I'll put another 6 up for you of these ones, but there is something that I just want to quickly show you first. In a minute, I'm going to give you, so you know that we rave about first class maths. I'm going to give you a practice paper for paper 2, okay? So he's put this together of topics that haven't appeared on paper 1, but he's done it in the order of his, has anyone looked at the list that I put into teams? So he's done it in that order, so he's prioritised the ones that are 5-star and 4-star and 3-star and so on. Now because this doesn't cover all of the topics that haven't come up, I've put in here, because you know Mr. Conway, she's an exam marker for Excel. So she's been doing that for like 15, 16 years or even longer probably. So she knows this content sort of inside out. So she's looked at this and gone, oh, the topics that are not covered that I think definitely should be are these, okay? So I've copied them into the posting area of Teams. It's not exhaustive, but it is, oh, let me make sure that's got there. So it's not exhaustive. Concentrate on the highlighted ones first because they're more likely to come up than the other ones. But when you're doing your revision over half term, this and anything that I'm giving you, if you've got time after, have a look at these ones as well, okay? Highlighted ones are priority. So let's give you 6 more questions. So I'm just going to give you 5 minutes for those.
Say that this morning. Yeah.
Okay, finish the one that you're on. Okay, your answers are up.
I think.
You write the rest.
Yeah.
If you've got the root doesn't look very good here, but it should be that.
Yeah, I got V minus H over 5.
I'm just going to have a look what it was to start with. They are the subject. So these are all multiplied.
Yeah.
So you can you can write these in any order, as long as the squared still remains on the R. You can do R squared pi h pi R squared. They're all just multiplying each other. So if you do V
Yeah.
divided by pi h, that's equal to R squared, and then the square root for that.
Yeah.
Anyone else need any talking through? Santana?
The blue.
The blue one? Jack, did you do the blue one?